feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they want
viewers, this is SKC, your facilitator for this e-learning or virtual learning program. And I welcome you to this platform, which is going to be an interactive platform for all students from JHS1 to JHS3 who are in this COVID-19 season relaxed at home. We use this opportunity to educate you in your course subjects, basically English, Maths, and Sciences. I expect that you will take this opportunity to sign up on this platform. You may contact Robenja Boot on 024 627 0161 or 0544 874 357. Effective tutorials on BDT can be given to you when you call on us. We are ever willing and friendly to answer your questions as you prepare towards the BEC. I hope you will quickly take your phone and begin to dial the number once again. Viewers and parents, I will be glad to hear from you. Let us not waste time because of the COVID season, but capitalize on this to educate our children. We have every video available for you for all lessons. It is going to be an opportunity you can't miss out. All course subjects are included. Call us on 0544 874 357 or 0246 270 161, and you will never regret signing on. Welcome once again, and we hope to hear from you. See you.